Welcome to my channel, where we turn your PC's idle screen to a stunning and functional flip clock. Discover step-by-step guides, cool customization tips, and troubleshooting tricks to make your computer screen pop with style. Join us as we bring a touch of nostalgia to your tech world. Hit subscribe now and let's dive into the world of flip clock together. First, let's go to our Explorer and type in flipclock.com. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is not on. Let me activate it. Now let me try to refresh it. So here we go. This is the official website of flipclock. So here we need to search for the screensaver. But don't worry, I'll be giving you the link at the description below. You'll be redirected to a page where you can choose the version of flipclock you want to download. There are options for both Windows and Mac operating systems. I'll choose Windows because mine is Windows. Let's click on download and wait for it to download. Once it finishes, locate the folder. As for me, it was saved here. Now, let's try to extract it. Okay, now let's try to extract the files. Click extract. Click extract. So once you're done, you get these three files on your files. Okay, hold on while I try to enlarge the icons. I would like to enlarge it a little bit. So we come to this icon here. Now let's right click on this icon. Click on install. As you can see, the screensaver settings pops out. If this doesn't pop out, we can do that by right clicking on your desktop and select personalize. In the personalization settings, let's move down, then click on lock screen. Okay, let's move to screensaver. Click on it. And then the screensaver pops out. Choose flipclock from the list of available screensavers. Configure any additional settings, such as how long your computer should be idle before the screensaver activates. I would set mine to 5 minutes. So now let's click on preview to see how it's going to look like. Pretty cool, right? So now we can click apply, then the OK button. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Bye for now.